Hello, I'm Ms. Roberts, and today is May 1st, 2020, and I'm going to teach you a math lesson on understanding and representing data. First, let's go over our objectives. Repeat after me. I can sort data into a table and use category data to solve word problems. Very good. Now let's do our warm-up activity with a game of guess what? I'm going to tell you four different things, and you're going to tell me what you think it is. Ready? Okay. I have two legs, wings, feathers, and I can fly. What am I? That's right, I'm a bird. Let's do another one. I have four legs, a tail, shell, and I lay eggs. What do you think I am? That's right, I'm a turtle. Let's do one more. I have fins, gills, scales, and I can swim. Hmm, what do you think I am? That's right, I'm a fish. So, what are the characteristics of a fish? You got it. Fish have gills, fins, scales, and they can swim. We can use this guessing game to represent the concepts of characteristics. Okay, so let's sort some animals into categories. Think you can do that? All right. So I have my animal characteristics chart here, and I have my characteristics chart have four different categories. Can somebody raise their hand quietly and tell me what are the four different categories? They're underlined. Yep, you got it. Birds, mammals, reptiles, and fish. Now, each category has four different characteristics. Can I get a few people to raise their hand and tell me what characteristics are up under each category? Birds, feathers, wings, two legs, lays eggs, and warm-blooded. Very good. The next category, mammals, hair or fur. Their mother feeds their young milk, live birth, lungs, and warm blood. Very good. Can I get the next category? Very good. Reptiles have scales, dry skin, four or no legs, usually lay eggs, and are cold-blooded. All right, the next category is fish. The characteristics for fish are scales, fins, gills, and lays eggs, and are cold-blooded. Very good. Now we know our some characteristics, let's sort some animals into different categories. So I'm going to put you in pairs, and I'm going to pass out these animal cards, and you're going to decide which category they belong to. Can I get a volunteer to pass them out? Thank you. You're going to pair. Now, while they're passing them out, I'm going to demonstrate the first few. So we have the polar bear. The polar bear's thick coat is insulated fur protects against the Arctic cold. Where can we find this? Yes, animal characteristics. Which one has fur? The mammal. The mammal has fur. So the polar bear is a mammal. All right, we have the African penguin. The African penguin lays two eggs at a time. Based off the picture and the animal characteristics charts, we see that the African penguin has wings and they also lay eggs. So, although that reptiles and fish lay eggs, we can decide that this is a bird because it has wings. All right, the rough green snake. The rough green snake lays 4 to 12 sticky eggs on a flat stone or log. It is a reptile. Very good. Now we have the seahorse. Male seahorse carries eggs in their pouches. They swim using their small fins on their backs. All right, which one has fins? That's right, fish. The seahorse is a fish. Now I'm going to take some time and allow you all to come up here and sort your cards. Okay? All right, now that we have some of them sorted, we have a few more. We have the brown bear. The brown bear's mother gives birth to its cubs during the hibernation. They don't even have to wake up. The brown bear gives birth. All right, so it's a mammal. Do you know what else is a mammal? Yes, us humans are mammals. We have hair, and we drink milk. We are born, we lack birth, and we have lungs. Now we have a couple that may be on the heart. That may be a little bit challenging. You ready? We have the orca whale. The orca whale, or the baby orca or calf, is born tail first. It may weigh 400 pounds. Well, it lives in the ocean. So what do you think it is? Could be a fish. Not quite. It is born. Therefore, it has live birth. So therefore, it is a mammal that lives in the ocean. Last one, the sea turtle. The sea turtle female lays eggs in its nesting hole in the sand. It's in the ocean as well, but it has 4 legs, and so that makes it a reptile. Now that we have our data organized into this chart, now we can organize our day. How can we easily see how many are animals are in each category? That's right, we can count them. And what's a quick and easy way to count them? That's right, tally marks. So reptiles have 5, birds have 4, mammals have 8, and fish have 3. So we even though we have a tally marks, there's another way we can show the numbers by using numbers. There's another way to show the amount by using numbers. That is correct. Reptiles 5, birds 4, mammals 8, and fish 3. Now that the data or information is organized into this table, in our table right here, now that it's organized into this table, it's easy to count and see how many are in each category, right? Yes. Now that we have our data, we can answer some word problems. Okay, here are our word problems. The first word, can I get somebody to read the first word problem? Yes. How many categories does this table have? We can look at our table and see. There's reptiles, birds, mammals, and fish. That makes it 4 categories. All right, the next one. How many animals did we saw all together? So that all together word tells us what? Very good, that we're adding. We're going to add them all together, all of the numbers. So we have 5, 4, 8, and 3. We can combine these two to make 2 addeds. We have 9 and 11. 9 and 1 makes 10. 1 and 1 is 2. So we have 20 animals in all. Okay, the next one. How many birds and mammals are there than reptiles and fish? Okay, so we have going to be like a 2-step problem because we have birds and mammals. We need to know how many they are together, and reptiles and fish, how many are together. But are we going to add these 2 numbers together? No. What word in the word problem says that we're not going to add? That's right, the word than. The word than is a comparing, so therefore we're going to be subtracting. So let's have birds and mammals. We have 8 mammals and 4 birds, which makes 12. We have 5 and 3, which makes 8. Then we subtract 8 and 4, 8 minus 4, 8 minus 12 is 4. We have 4 birds and mammals. 4 more birds and mammals. Very good. Now the next one. How many fewer birds and fish are there than mammals and reptiles? Okay, the same kind of thing. However, you see this word fewer. Fewer tells us what? That it's going to be less. Very good. So we are going to subtract. We still see that than, which is comparing. So birds, there are 5 birds and 3 fish, which makes 8. Oh, 4 birds, sorry. 4 birds and 3 fish, which makes 7. See, it's good to check your work. And then we have 5 reptiles and 8 mammals, which make 13. But we can't take away 7 from 13. So we're going to rearrange them, and now we can do so. There are 13 ones. Now we can easily take 7 from this whole number. We have 10 on this side and 3. So we take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry, 7. We're left with 6. Another way we can do it is 3. There's more on the floor. We go next door, get 10 more. There's 13 this number is 3, and then we left with 0, 0, 1, 0 tens, and we have 6. Okay. So we have 6. There we go. So there were 6 fewer birds and fish. And then the last one. Okay. How would the table change if we counted 4 or more? Okay, so we already know that there's 20 animals in all, and if we add 4 more birds, it becomes 24. But how will the table change? So it will be a total of 24. We would have 4. We already have 4 birds. We add 4 more birds, becomes 8. What else do we notice about the chart? Yes, there are 8 mammals. So there will be 8 birds and 8 mammals. Very good. Now the last question. What are some other ways we can organize these animals? Very good. By what they eat or where they live. So what I want you to do is go in your groups and make your own table of organizing where these animals live. Okay, and then we're going to come back and debrief, and then we're going to do our exit ticket. Okay? All right. So as we debrief, we're going to review some things that we learned today. So one of the things we learned is the different strategies of how to count. What are the 2 ways that we can record the value of the groups? Yes, by using tally marks and using numbers. Which one did you like best? Tally marks? Numbers? Okay, so what did you find hard or difficult in this activity? Wonderful. Okay, now that you know that we can use our data to organize our table, here is your exit ticket. I had so much fun learning with you today. Thank you. Come again.